With My Board Buddy Go, a student or staff member with a visual impairment can view presentation content via an app on his or her tablet. On this mobile device, the user can manipulate the image without impacting what others see on the screen. This is the ideal solution for users who change rooms frequently, such as in secondary or higher education or in the workplace. Installation of the My Board Buddy Go requires no technical knowledge. A set includes a My Board Buddy transmitter with an HDMI cable and a power adapter. Provide yourself with an iPad with the screen size of your choice. The connection can be made in two ways. If presenting directly from a smartboard, connect the smartboard with the transmitter by connecting the output of the smartboard with the input of the My Board Buddy transmitter using an HDMI cable. When connecting from a source, like a laptop to the smartboard, first connect the HDMI cable from the smartboard to the output of the My Board Buddy transmitter, then connect the laptop to the input of the transmitter. Then plug in the 12-volt power adapter, and finally turn on the switch. The My Board Buddy transmitter will now start up. As soon as both LEDs light up, the transmitter is fully powered up and ready to use. Find the My Board Buddy app in the Apple Store. Download the app. Once the download is complete, launch the app and click Join on the screen. This may take up to 30 seconds. Now the transmitter and app are connected and the app user can watch the presentation on his own device. Open the My Board Buddy app and tap Connect automatically. Once the app is connected, the image of the presentation screen appears on the tablet. Making the image larger and smaller is done by moving the thumb and index finger on the screen open or closer together. Slide your finger across the screen to move through the screen. With a double tap, you see the original format again. Tap once on the screen to display the menu bar at the top. Here you will find various functions. You can pin the menu using the pin icon. Tap the drop to see an inversion, where white becomes black and black becomes white. Tap the sun icon to display the image in grayscale. If you want to make notes on your iPad, simply tap the camera icon. This takes a snapshot of your screen. You can then easily draw or write directly on the captured image. To access and manage your screen captures, tap on Snapshots at the bottom of the home screen. Tap the circle icon to start a video recording. To exit from the app, minimize the app. Exit is not necessary. When connected to the app, you have no internet access. When you exit the app, you enjoy again internet access after 10 seconds. The app can be connected to more than one My Board Buddy transmitter. This gives you the freedom to move smoothly from one room to another. Once you start the app, it connects to the closest transmitter. It is also possible to give each transmitter a name so that you can select the desired transmitter when starting the app. Contact our support department to configure this. If you still have questions when installing or using the My Board Buddy, please check out the physical installation instructions or contact dealer support at sensortech.com.